Workflow of QitChain's storage service provider. The process of storage service providers providing services for the QitChain project and obtaining digital asset rewards. Projects with lower thresholds, simpler processes, and higher returns will be more favored by service providers. Here we will briefly describe the workflow of the storage service provider for QitChain. P-Disk. This is the first step in the whole process. The storage service provider needs to generate a plot file on the local hard disk and fill it with the entire hard disk. The plot file is encrypted by the SHA-BAL function. Compared with other SHA-256 types of encryptions, the SHA-BAL function has better ASIC resistance. So, it can avoid the crushing of computing power caused by professionally customized storage systems. The service provider will use the SHA-BAL algorithm to fill the hard disk space based on the hash value containing its own public key. Naturally, the larger the hard disk space, the higher the hash value can be filled and the easier it is to win the difficulty competition. Naus generation. Naus is a special byte generated at the same time as the plot file. Each random naus contains a 256 kilobytes data, and this data is the key for the storage service provider to package blocks to obtain asset rewards. Packaging. The storage service provider will monitor the entire QitChain network, and each time a block is received, the service provider will automatically start the packaging process of the next block. Whenever a block is generated in the main network, the hash value of the block will be sent to the storage service provider, and the service provider will look for the most matching naus in the hash value, and this naus will be converted into a timestamp. This timestamp will then be broadcast to the entire QitChain network. Verification. QitChain nodes will verify the validity of the block after receiving it. The storage service provider that passes the verification will obtain the bookkeeping right of the block and the QTC certificate in the block as a reward.